I'm really sorry that today you will be disappointed about this episode, about this live. Everything should be already finished on 22nd of June, but judge decided to postpone his ruling and his decision up to 20th of July. So, first of all, we need to wait because I respect all the ruling of the judge and all the courts, of course. And that's why you need to really wait for the real episode, which take place, I hope, after 20th of July, if will be not rescheduled. And it will be not hearing also, it will be just exchanging of letters, but judge should rule on 20th of July. That's why today life will be a little bit different. And what I want to show you is something I don't want to leave you without anything because we will be not talking about the case. So I want just to share with you a short video which we can watch together. So enjoy my video.
The history of the world is full of stories about clashes of unequal forces, about moments when the outcome seems predetermined. The Valley of Terebinth, the place where the Philistine armies and the army of Israel faced each other. On one side stood a power, an inexhaustible resource and a machine that had been crushing everything in its path for years. Both armies camped on opposite hills, and between them stretched a deep, silent valley. From the ranks of the enemy emerged the greatest warrior, Goliath from Gath, a giant whose mere sight paralyzed his opponents. He was clad in heavy armor. He possessed a weapon that no one else could lift. His tactic was simple and ruthless: intimidate, destroy morale before the first blow is struck. For 40 days, every morning and every evening, he stood before the valley and issued a challenge. He mocked. He demanded unconditional submission. He shouted, "Choose someone to stand with me in battle. If I win, you will be silent forever." Hearing these words, the entire army, the best commanders, seasoned veterans, trembled with fear. No one dared to answer. No one had the courage to stand up for the truth. An absolute, deafening silence prevailed, until the day when David appeared in the camp, the youngest son of the shepherd. He was not a trained soldier. He did not belong to their closed world of big business. He simply used to tend to his flock. He took care that none of his sheep came to harm. When he heard the taunts and threats of the giant, he did not feel fear. He felt deep anger. He said, "Who gave him the right to insult the truth with impunity? I will fight him." King Saul was frightened. Trying to protect the boy, he wanted to dress him in his own heavy armor. He pressed his sword against him, imposed a helmet of compromises and a shield of corporate agreements. But David could not walk in them. The armor restricted his movements. It took away from him what was most important: independence and authenticity. He took her off. He rejected their terms. Instead, he went down to the nearby stream. From crystal clear water, he pulled out 5 smooth stones, hard as facts, sharp as indisputable evidence. He took only his own tools, which he knew best, into his hand, and he set off towards the valley. When the giant saw the young man walking alone, he felt offended. He started to mock him. Who dared to challenge the empire? But David walked calmly. When they stood face to face, he said, "You come at me with a sword, a mighty spear, and an army that is meant to instill fear. You try to silence me with a great burden, and I am coming for you, solely in the name of the highest truth." A deep silence fell. The giant moved to attack. The ground rumbled under his weight. Then David reached for his bag. He pulled out a smooth stone. He put it into...
So, as you see, we need to still wait up to 20 July. Let's hope that after a few months of my silence, I will be able to share with you some real information, what is going behind the doors, closed doors. For now, also, I would like to share with you some new topics today from last week. We just started new series. So every Tuesday evening in Europe and beginning of the day in United States, you will have opportunity to see my series about checking boats. So I will especially for you go through some popular yachts available on the market, and I will show them from the other side. Not like everybody, not showing the features, not telling good things about them, but I'm planning to give them the real score, and I show you on what you should put attention before you buy the next boat or the yacht. For now, you have already episode about Galleon 620. This Tuesday will come the Absolute 52 Fly. And if you want to see any of both and my opinion about it, just put it in the comment, the name of the boat. I try to make a survey and tell you my opinion. And of course, every Thursday we will have the regular episodes, and Sunday we will do twice a month, I think now, the live episodes. Also, for the subscribers and supporters, we have a special additional series which is available only for the people who subscribe. So if you want, you can choose this option and also have some videos. It will be two types of the videos. One, it is raw materials from my work, and one will be some serious information, which is maybe not for everybody, but for the people who are really interested to purchase the yacht or needed some information, very practical, financial, from the law area and some other things. So really invite everybody to join my channel. And I hope that people in United States are still resting after yesterday holiday, 4th of July, especially that it was 250 years of independence. And of course, I wish you all the best. And for now, that's all. Once again, I'm really sorry that this live is so short because I cannot say anymore. And see you Tuesday on the review of Absolute 52. Have a good day.